Prime Minister Modi came to see me. Sir, may I see you, please? Yes, I have a very good relationship with him. He's not that happy with me because they're paying a lot of tariffs now.
Hello bro, te hakani ko video to na Sngap ya ka jingkran AA jong u Donald Trump, u Presiden jong dari Amerika ya u Narendra Modi, u Prime Star jong ka India. Nagliang jong u Donald Trump ulong ba udon ka nyalong perlo ka jan bha ba Modi. Ndrei Modi, simlo sngewbha, bat simlo setonat ya Donald Trump, namar baka India ka habersu ya sibun ki khajna. Nagliang jong ka Amerika kalabu da ka khajna ka bahe ya ka India, namar baka India ka long parlok bat ka Russia. Ka India ka thit ya sibun ka umpniang na Russia, kumjuru ka India ka thit ya sibun ki tirthma na Russia. Dena ka daw baka Amerika hapo ka jalam jong u Donald Trump kalabu da ka khajna ka bahe ya ka India. Mensua kapur ba u Donald Trump udang long presiden jong kari Amerika katem ke bandingkong ka jelong perlok jong ka India berkari Amerika karya janbha. Hadu kapur ba u Joe Biden ulong presiden jong kari Amerika ka jelong perlok jong ka India berkari Amerika karya jan. Ndre hakane katom ke BYNTA jong ka jinglong presiden Donald Trump imar ka jelong perlok jong ka India berkari Amerika kalas dang pada jengai. Namar ba kari Amerika kalabu daga khajna ka bahe ya kari India. Kumta kari India tak sedang lekir ya kari Amerika. Dia perlok to ya pet ya Sngap ya kan ka jingkren jong Donald Trump kena ba pensong thubha lada phide ki breu ki ba snyo thub hareng. So bhaban Sngap ya kan ka jingkren jong Donald Trump kumno Ukraine ya Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
The Apache helicopter. I mean, I had India coming to me, sir. I've been waiting 5 years. We're changing it. We're changing it. India ordered 68 Apaches, and Prime Minister Modi came to see me. Sir, may I see you, please? Yes, I have a very good relationship with him. He's not that happy with me because, you know, they're paying a lot of tariffs now because they're not doing the oil, but they are. They've now reduced it very substantially, as you know, from Russia. We're getting rich because of tariffs, by the way. I hope everyone understands that. They hate to report. We're going to have over $650 billion poured into our country or coming in shortly because of tariffs. You know, they're finding all of these pockets of money a couple of weeks ago. Sir, we're off by $39 billion. Oh, is that good or bad? Meaning, do we have it or are we short of it? Sir, it's $39 billion that we can't account for. That means we have an extra 39. Yes, sir. I said, well, what are you saying? We just don't know where it came from. I said, check the tariff shelf. Sir, that tariff doesn't start until September. I said, no. It started about a month and a half ago. Check it. Comes back 25 minutes later. Sir, you were right. It came from tariffs. This never happened to us before, where we find plus 39 billion, not million, plus 39 billion. They were missing. We've taken in $650 billion or shortcoming, and that's because I'm being nice. If I want to be, and we have national security because of tariffs. And frankly, we have a big Supreme Court case. I hope they do what's good for our country. I hope they do the right thing. The president has to be able to wheel and deal with tariffs. Now, if you have the right president, it's good. You have the wrong president, if you have the wrong president, nothing's good. Tariffs are the least of your problems. We found that out for 4 years.